We're here at the University of California, Davis Sacramento campus, and we're specifically at the Mind Institute, enjoying a beautiful afternoon. You see around you posters set up by many of our doctors in training. And these posters with the young doctors next to them are really demonstrating a lot of their scholarship, a lot of their interest in both clinical science and clinical education, all of it really designed to improve the care of patients we take care of and ultimately taking care of better care of patients all over the country.
It is very heartening to know that there are all these great minds at work to both preserve and protect our health, but also make the breakthroughs that will be needed for the next generation.
We've asked our community supporters to go around and look at all of the posters and the ones that they like the best give a star to. And so each resident is accumulating stars here and there based on their ability really to explain their project to our community supporters, all of whom are non-physicians.
If you would please join us inside, the voting has now concluded, and we will announce the People's Choice Awards in a few minutes.
I've got a chance to see some of the best and the brightest today, and I look forward to pushing them forward and mentoring them and being mentored by them, because it's a two-way street.
Please join me in congratulating our first award winner, who is Dr. Amir Zeki, a pulmonary fellow, for his poster on simvastatin attenuates allergic airway inflammation and airway hyperreactivity in a mouse model of asthma. Amir?
We are interested in novel, new therapies that may treat certain subpopulations of asthma. And of particular interest are the cholesterol-lowering drugs, in particular the statins, which lower cholesterol and improve your lipid profile, which have shown remarkable benefit in improving lives in cardiovascular disease. Well, we've thought to innovate that idea and apply it to lung diseases, specifically asthma. And our hope is that treating asthmatics with the statin drugs may in fact improve not only their lung function, reduce inflammation, but hopefully result in improved clinical and quality of life outcomes.
Our second award recipient is Amy Lee, an internal medicine resident, for her poster entitled Herbal Remedies in Cancer Treatment. So, Amy.
I've done a lot of reading about herbal remedies in cancer treatment. One well-known cancer treatment, Taxol, used in breast cancer. I found that it's actually initially made from the bark of Pacific yaw tree, right there. So I was interested in researching to see if there's any other herbal medicines out there that may have anti-tumor effects.
And last but not least, Milind Ratanathan, an internal medicine resident, for his poster on lifetime suicidal ideation and suicide attempts in Asian Americans.
There haven't been much studies done on looking at suicidal ideation and attempts in the Asian American population. So the main findings that we found were that family conflict and perceived discrimination and as well as ethnic identification all played a role in suicidal ideation and suicide attempts. That is that higher levels of family conflict and perceived discrimination are highly correlated with suicidal ideation. And
you know, I think this event is a way for all of us to recognize that the next generation of medicine and of clinical science is in great hands. It's really young people at their best who are mentored by some of the finest faculty in the University of California. It really is not only the work that we do, but what it means. The meaning of this event is a hope for the future, a hope that we'll have better health and better health care.